Hi everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Guess what holiday is around the corner? It's Valentine's Day. Today we're going to prepare a meal that is impressive, delicious, and best of all, easy to prepare. And don't hide it away just for Valentine's Day. It's a great dish for serving any day. I'm going to be cooking Cornish Game Hens with potatoes and peppers. So put on some soft music, light some candles, and open that special bottle of wine you've been saving. It's Valentine's Day. Let's get cooking. Next, we're going to work with our Cornish Game Hen. And I have already washed this one, and he's all ready. So what we're going to do is we are going to use our kitchen shears, and we're going to cut this baby in half. It cuts really easy. It's not like cutting a chicken. Let's see, right down the middle. And then we're going to cut this guy right down the middle so that we get two halves. All right, once these, we're going to get this, kind of do a little cleanup on them. All right, once these are ready, next we're going to make a quick marinade in a small bowl and whisk that all together. I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and we're going to squish out a half of lemon, and then we're going to take 1 clove of garlic, and we're going to put it in our garlic press and press out 1 garlic like that. Then we're going to take our whisk, and that's it. We're just going to see how it turns color. Just mixing up the lemon juice and the olive oil. Then we're going to take just some salt and pepper, and we're going to pepper our little bitty hens like this. A little bit of salt. Then we're going to take a Ziploc bag. We're going to put both of them in here, and we're going to pour the marinade into the bag. We're going to zip it shut like that. And then we're just going to kind of rub the chicken up and make sure it's all covered. And that is a quick and easy way to marinate chicken. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we are going to cut 15, well, for 2 people, we're going to cut 15 little tiny baby potatoes in half. These are, if you want more, you can do more if you're cooking for more people than 2, but since we're just doing 2, this is about perfect amount. Then we're going to take baby sweet peppers. They come in all kinds of sizes, so we're going to the peppers and my potatoes are all cut. Now I'm going to take a half an onion, and I'm going to cut it up as well and just add it to the bowl. Okay, so now we have all of our vegetables and our peppers. Everything is cut and ready to cook. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mix up a little bit of olive oil, and some of the spices I've listed. I just called them potato spices, and we're gonna use another Ziploc bag, and we're going to put the potatoes, the vegetables, everything in there and just kind of mix them up. Okay, so we're gonna take all of our vegetables and all of our potato spices right here. That's our paprika, garlic powders, the pepper flakes, and the salt and the pepper. And we're going to put all of these vegetables into a bag. I love my Ziplocs. We're going to take about a half a tablespoon of olive oil into the bag. And then we're going to make everything oily, like this. Then we're going to take our spices, add them to our vegetables, like that. And that's the quick and easy way to get all of your vegetables coated. All right, so now that we have all of this done, we are ready to get cooking. So I'll see you at the stove. Okay, so we are now ready to cook. We are going to put our oven on the stove on a medium flame, which is for me about a 4. And I have 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to let that melt. You know what they say about a watch pot never boiling? Same thing goes for butter. So we'll just sit here and watch it butter. We are going to be adding our marinated vegetables. To our pan, like so. See, these are all going to be roasted in the oven. Right now, we're basically just placing them in our pan. And then we are going to take our chicken we are going to take our chicken and kind of nestle them like that. And then we're going to put the other one over here. Like that. So that you have everything all together. Then we are going to take our bacon. We're going to turn this. Basically, we turned on the stove to melt the butter, to kind of let the butter smooth out. We're going to turn that off because it's getting ready to go in the oven. We're going to tuck this bacon around the corner. Whoops! We're going to tuck this bacon around the Cornish hens like that. And another one for this side. Then this side gets tucked over here. And then the last one we're going to put over here like that. So everything looks nice. I'm going to add a little pepper. Okay, so now we are going to cover our skillet and put it in the hot oven for about 45 minutes. then we'll uncover it and cook it for 15 to brown it and crisp the bacon.